Greetings, dear viewers. Welcome. Today's poem is Vishy's Rapid Reply. This is a poem about Vishwanathan Anand's 2017 Rapid World Chess Championship title. To talk about this particular tournament, this was in the rapid format. Of course, it's the Rapid World Chess Championship. And generally, the notion is that the rapid format is usually suited to younger players because it requires more agility, more sharpness of mind in terms of calculation and overall ability as well. But Vishwanathan Anand, at the age of 47, won the 2017 World Rapid Chess Championships and stunned everyone. There are a lot of reasons why this was actually very interesting and more remarkable. Vishwanathan Anand was not having a very good year in 2017. For example, the previously concluded tournament before the World Rapid Chess Championship was London Chess Classic, and Vishwanathan Anand finished in the 9th position in that particular tournament. And in 2017, the World Cup of Chess, he was knocked out in round 2 by Kovalev. So a lot of people started talking about the fact that Anand was becoming a victim of time, that he should consider retiring, and lo, he comes up with a great performance and he goes on to win the World Rapid Chess Championship, which honestly majority of the fans and the analysts did not expect. There are a lot of impressive feats that Anand has achieved throughout the course of his illustrious career, and I think this ranks amongst one of the best. For example, he lost the World Chess Championship title, Classical World Chess Championship title, in 2013 to Magnus Carlsen, and right when people were writing him off, he won the 2014 Candidates Tournament and again challenged Magnus Carlsen for the title. This in itself is a very impressive feat. And this particular tournament is also impressive because of the fact that Magnus Carlsen was also playing. He was considered as the favorite, and Vishy beat Magnus Carlsen in round 9, and his final opponent, where he had to battle it out in the tiebreak, was Fedoseev, and Fedoseev was 22 years old at this particular point of time. Vishwanathan Anand 47 and Fedoseev 22. Again, against all odds, Vishwanathan Anand did incredibly well in this tournament, and a lot of players congratulated Anand on this impressive feat. Amongst the many who congratulated, Garry Kasparov tweeted saying that Vishy should dedicate the victory to the people who are asking him to retire from chess. Okay, without further ado, let us get into the poem and understand what happened in the 2017 World Rapid Chess Championship. The veteran's career was questioned by many. They dared not bet their penny on the aged player who was well past his prime, who according to them was a victim of time. With authority, everyone did write that Magnus Carlsen was the favorite. Anand's win over Carlsen in round 9 proved that the veteran's game was still fine. Anand shared the lead with Fedoseev after the round 15. The chess world was keen to see how Vishy would flare in the tie-break when there was so much at stake. The warrior was at his best in this very stern test, was able to win the tiebreaker with ease and give his fans some peace. The chess world did appreciate this warrior who showed everyone that he was superior. The results of the past few tournaments did not make him slumber. He showed mere mortals that age is just a number. I hope you like the poem. The full poem is, of course, in the description as always. Thank you very much for your time.